Albert Adds Up Mouse Math by Eleanor May. Illustrated by Deborah Melman. I'm back from the library, Albert's sister Wanda called. Albert scampered in. You got the new Captain Slime? He squeaked. Flash and I love Captain Slime, Albert said. Wanda smiled. I know. We read the first book a zillion times, Albert said. Wanda said, I know. Albert's paw crept toward the book. Please let me read it first, he begged. I'll let you play with one of my favorite toys. Before Wanda could answer, Albert scurried off. Here, Wanda, Albert said as he came back. I'll trade you Robo-Rat for Captain Slime. Deal? Wanda shook her head. That's not enough, he interrupted. Wait, you also get Mechanomole. That's two of my favorite toys, Albert said. So can I have Captain Slime? 1 plus 1 is 2. Wanda sighed. Albert, if you would just throw in one more toy, he said. Okay. Wait, Wanda said, but he was gone. You can't say no to this, Albert says, as he ran back in. Wanda stared at him. What is it? It's a secret sucker, Albert explained proudly. It's for sucking secrets out of other mice. I made it myself. Does it work? Wanda asked. Not exactly, Albert said. Wanda said, good. Albert gulped. So, will you take all 3 for Captain Slime? 2 plus 1 is 3. Wanda said, I don't want your toys. No toys? Albert exclaimed. No problem. I've got something else. Look, Wanda, worms. I named them Ned and Nellie. But Albert, Wanda stopped. Which one is Nellie? I'm not sure, he said. But you can have them both. Plus all 3 toys. That's 5 things altogether. 3 plus 2 is 5. Wanda said, listen, Albert. All I want, I know, Albert said. How about the giant gumball Leo gave me for my birthday? You still have that gumball? Wanda said. Well, it isn't exactly a ball anymore, Albert said. But you can chew it as much as you like before you give it back. You're joking, Wanda said. No, Albert beamed. I mean it. All 6 awesome things are yours while I read Captain Slime. Wanda said, I'm going to wash my paws. 5 plus 1 is 6. Albert looked at Ned and Nellie. She still hasn't said yes, he told them. I'll get more stuff. Albert scampered in and out. He brought in his electric tail warmer. That's 7 things, he said. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And here are 2 wheels that fell off my tricycle. He dumped them on the pile. Plus one scary cat mask. 10. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. This puzzle has 500 pieces. That makes... Albert looked at Ned and Nellie. Oh, all right. 11. I think it's missing a few pieces anyway. 10 plus 1 is 11. Just then, Wanda came in. My puzzle, she said. I've been looking for it everywhere. Oops, Albert said. I guess I only have 10 things to trade. 11 minus 1 is 10. Wanda said, Albert, I don't want to trade you Captain Slime for any of these things. Not the cat mask? Wanda shook her head. 10 minus 1 is 9. Not the wheels? Not the wheels, Wanda said. 9 minus 2 is 7. Not the tail warmer? No, Wanda said, and definitely not the gum. I'll put them away, Albert said. 7 minus 1 equals 5. What about Ned and Nellie? Albert asked when he came back in. No, thank you, Wanda said. No Ned, no Nellie. But that only leaves 3 things. 5 minus 2 equals 3. That's right, Wanda said. And you need to take all 3 away. Even the secret sucker? Albert asked. Especially the secret sucker, Wanda said. 3 minus 3 is 0. I don't have anything left to trade, Albert said sadly. But Albert, you don't need anything, Wanda said. I tried to tell you, but you wouldn't listen. I got that book out of the library for you. Albert looked at Captain Slime. You know what, Wanda? He said. I don't want to read it first after all. You don't? Wanda asked. No, Albert said. I'd much rather read it together.